Hello friends, my name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today we're building a hybrid skid plate for my 2008 Arctic Cat 700H1. The plan is to reuse this plastic skid plate and adhere it to the aluminum skid plate that's being put on this machine. The plastic offers better sliding capabilities than aluminum does. So we don't need any of the plastic past this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a mark in here and we're going to trim this skid plate once we get it off. So before I get too crazy here with cutting up materials, I'm going to test fit the new aluminum skid plate and make sure it fits on the machine, because we don't want to get too into this thing and then realize the skid plate doesn't work. That would be super unfortunate. We crawled under there and we made sure our new skid plate will in fact fit. So now the next step, we're going to take the new skid and the old skid and we're going to clean them. We're going to get all the tape residue and dirt and grime and everything we can off these before we start gluing them together. Alright, so I've got my plastic pieces cut out. We've inspected our aluminum components to make sure they actually fit on the machine. So our next step is going to be to prep the aluminum surface before we put our adhesive on. Okay, so now that I prep the surface, I'm going to take this 3M 5952 VHB tape. I'm going to carefully apply it to the plastic. I went ahead and taped up our plastic here. There is totally a formula for how many pounds per inch of this material to apply. As you can see, I totally did the math on that. Now what you're supposed to do, once you've stuck everything, before you pull the red ribbon off, you're supposed to press down on this approximately 15 psi and kind of set the bonding. I'll link in the description, I'll link the 3M video I found that kind of shows their application process. They use a roller. I'm probably just going to use a 2x4 and sit there and push it down. I've got it all pressed down to where I'm satisfied. Now I'm going to carefully take the plastic and set it on the aluminum and start it pressing down on it to kind of find its final resting place. Oh my God, this stuff is no joke. I've got all the plastic stuck to all the aluminum. As you can see, I have several clamps placed throughout the skid plate to try and, flatten the plastic out to the aluminum. So now that that's all done, everything's stuck to everything else. That stuff does not move, by the way. Make sure you line it up right the first time, because it is not going to let you do a second time. Now, the magic is we wait 72 hours for the whole bonding process to cure. That's what it takes. It takes 72 hours at room temperature. So I guess I'll see you in 3 days. All right, friends, today is Friday. We've been letting the skid plates sit for approximately 4.5 days. As you can see, I went all in on trying to compress the plastic, the adhesive, and the aluminum for maximum bonding. So without further ado, let's pull this mess apart and see what we have. So we dismantled everything and it looks pretty good. There's a couple spots where it didn't compress as well as I would have liked. If I were to do this again, I would probably buy about 1 billion of, you know, these larger 6-inch clamps from like Harbor Freight or whoever you choose, and go to town on this thing with those. Probably a lot more clamping power. I think it's gonna be fine. I kind of beat around on the tail section. It's not moving. Anyway, let's get this thing installed and complete this project. Here's the finished product. So I ran it up on the snowbank here, as you can see. So we now have an aluminum skid with a nice plastic sliding surface. I'm biased, but I think it turned out pretty good. Only time will tell if the adhesive and the plastic hold up. I think it might though. I put a couple pretty gnarly blows to it with my hammer and it didn't even phase it. So, you know, not the center, but to the actual sides here. Anywhere where it was sticking out, like down here, I put a pretty nice hit on it. It didn't even phase it. So I'm cautiously optimistic. Only time will tell how this thing survives out in the real world with ice and snow and water, mud. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. I can give you links to the tape I used in the description. And then for more of my videos, subscribe, notification bell, you know, all that good stuff. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you all later. One thing I want to mention, if you're going to do this, I'm not professional. Consider me a madman, just here to watch the world burn. I'm doing this just to try it. So I assume the risk that I could, well, I mean, I have damaged my plastic skid plate, that's gone. So, but I could very well damage my aluminum, I don't know how, but you never know. So I'm just trying to make you aware that anything's possible. Professional driver, closed course, I like the stock, whatever else I need to say to you know, make sure that you understand that if you're following in my footsteps, you're kind of going on your own. It's for entertainment purposes only. So, all right, on with the show.